Hi, and welcome to Salon Success Academy in Fontana. Salon Success Academy was established in 1960. We are a family-owned and operating beauty college, who was founded by Richard Gross, and it was originally known as Richard's Beauty College. We have a long history in downtown Fontana, roughly over 4 decades. We are located at 16803 Arrow Boulevard in Fontana, California, and we are located at the corner of Arrow and Bennett. Our phone number is 909-822-1149. We offer the Cosmetology Program and the Manicuring Program. We work with and partnership with Elevation H, Wella Professional, and C&D. We're excited to show you around. Come on in. So here at Salon Success, we like to prepare you as much as possible by creating an environment that will replicate on how it would be for a licensed professional and create in a salon environment. Here at this location is our retail as well as our client waiting area. There will be a floor instructor to help you guide you and assist you in your daily operations or clients. That is required by the state of California. We provide everything you would need to be able to be successful in completing your daily operations, as well as giving you the confidence and working with the clients. In the salon clinic, you'll be able to work and prepare clients at their shampoo bowls, where you'll be able to prepare them for your haircut services or finishing with the chemical services. Here are the dryers, where you're able to sit your client down during a deep conditioning treatment or a shampoo set or roller set. We're happy to be able to provide this atmosphere for you so you'll be able to be successful with your client. Here on the clinic floor is where you would be working on clients or doll heads, getting your practice and familiarized on how it would be to be a licensed professional. As a future student, you would be assigned a station that would be yours while on the clinic floor. Welcome to your classroom. Here you'll start your day starting roughly at 8:30 and ending at 9, and going over your Milady's textbook with your instructor and finishing it with a test on Friday. Also, in the classroom, when you begin, you'll be in your core phase. Your core phase is when you'll be roughly with your core instructor for 8 weeks, and they'll be providing you with the operations that you need to do in order to be able to move on to the clinic floor. Our amenities that we provide here for you is our Wella color line. We give you a full line that you'll be able to work and experiment with and be able to provide the color that the client wants and needs. We will also go over the benefits of understanding the Wella system and being able to provide you with that knowledge on color and color correction. Here in this location will be your disinfecting station. We do provide TVs for the students to utilize current teaching curriculums. Here in this next location is our esthetician room. Here we are able to provide our clients with a spa atmosphere as well as custom facials or basic facials depending on the client's needs. We also do waxing treatments for eyebrows, lips, legs, and arms. We are so excited that you joined us today for the tour for the Fontana location. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 909-822-1149 or go to salonsuccessacademy.com. Thank you and have a good day.